Hello everybody, this is Panda. I'm the Panda Photographer, and I am recording this in 4K 60 frames a second on my iPhone X using ProMovie. ISO is at 880, and look how beautiful it looks here in Japantown and San Francisco. This is a video sample, ladies and gentlemen. Please do subscribe, like, and share the content. If you guys want to support the channel, hit the notification bell icon where it says all, not participate. If you click all, you will get all notifications on my next live stream videos as I travel as a documentarian and consultant in San Francisco. If you guys want to support the channel financially, there's a PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. But I am using the ProMovie app for the iPhone. And it looks really nice. If I had this on the iPhone 12, oh, definitely a big improvement. But with that said, everyone, this is the Panda Photographer. Welcome to Japantown, San Francisco. Eat, see photography, videography, and repeat. See you guys in the next video.